Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Sudio earbuds. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so resetting your Sudio earbuds can fix a multiple range of issues. For example, one earbud not working, not connecting to the Bluetooth, audio out of sync, LED light stuck, connection to the wrong device. So in order to fix that, I've outlined a step-by-step guide. Alright, so step 1, remove or forget from Bluetooth list. So on your phone or computer, go to settings, Bluetooth, find your Sudio earbuds, tap on forget, remove or unpair. Step 2, place earbuds back into the charging case. So put both earbuds back in the charging case and then keep the case open. Alright, step 3, we need to perform a reset, and I've also got for older models here too. So depending on your model, do one of the following. So touch and hold both earbuds in the case for 10 to 15 seconds. Watch for LED lights flashing quickly or lights turning off briefly and back on. This confirms the reset. Now, if you've got an older model, take both earbuds out of the case. Touch and hold both earbuds for 10 to 15 seconds. When LEDs blink red or white rapidly, reset complete. Then place them back in the case and restart pairing. Step 4, reconnect. So take the earbuds out of the case. They will enter pairing mode automatically by flashing LED lights. You should see them flash. Go to your device's Bluetooth settings and reconnect.